Athena are a world-renowned manufacturer of engine spare parts. They are specialists from Italy with 50 plus years of experience, and with their innovative technologies, their parts excel in reliability, performance and safety. So whether you are looking for standard spare parts or you are looking for racing components for a higher caliber engine explosion, Athena is the right brand for you and your lovely BMW. At Schmiedmann, we have almost 30 years of experience, and Athena is definitely a brand that we can wholeheartedly recommend. Today we are taking a look at ring gaskets, specifically the cut ring gaskets from Athena. As the enthusiasts might know, ring gaskets are there to ensure sealability and safety, and their design makes it so that they can be installed without complete dismemberment. Specifically, cut ring head gaskets combine the advantage of the strong seal at high pressures of a head gasket with separate recessed rings. This technology allows work done on the ring seats without having to irreversibly modify the engine block. The body of these gaskets that Athena make consists of Motorgasket, a reinforced material by Athena made of a steel core covered with 2 layers of asbestos-free aramide fiber. This allows excellent thermal and mechanical resistance without reducing its ability to adapt perfectly to cylinder and head support surfaces, which also means that maximum sealing performance is present with no loss of compression, even for turbo and or nitrous, in which boosts are over 2 bar of pressure. On top of that, there's a silicone bead applied to the oil and coolant passages to ensure maximum sealing in every condition. The cut ring racing head gasket product line are meant as a race use only product. You can find our assortment of Athena ring gaskets on our website, which you can also find in the description below the video.